Hormones impact everything, from your mood, energy, sleep, and skin, to your metabolism and menstrual cycle. Yet, so many women go years without truly understanding how their hormones work or what imbalances feel like. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of hormonal health in simple, relatable terms. You'll learn the key signs to watch for, how to support your body naturally, and why tuning into your hormones is one of the most powerful things you can do for your long-term wellness. Today, we will talk about what every woman should know about hormonal health. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Hormones are your body's messengers. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through your blood and tell your organs how to function. They regulate everything from your energy and mood to your cycle, sleep, and metabolism. Think of them as the control center of your body, tiny messengers that have big influence. When they're balanced, you feel energized, stable, strong. When they're out of balance, fatigue, mood swings, irregular cycles, and even weight changes can become your daily norm. Many women don't realize that their symptoms might be hormonal, so knowing what hormones do and how they affect you is the first step toward taking control of your health. 9. The big four hormones: estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, cortisol. There are dozens of hormones at work in your body, but four deserve your attention. Estrogen and progesterone control your menstrual cycle, fertility, bone health, mood, and skin. Testosterone helps with strength, libido, and mental focus. Cortisol is your stress hormone. It controls how you respond to pressure, sleep, and inflammation. When these hormones are balanced, your body functions well. But when one falls off, others follow. Estrogen dominance can lead to heavy periods. Cortisol spikes can cause fatigue and anxiety. Low testosterone can kill your motivation. Understanding these hormones gives you power to spot patterns in how you feel and chart a path back to balance. 8. Your period offers clues every month. Your menstrual cycle isn't just a monthly inconvenience, it's a diagnostic tool. If your cycle is regular and symptoms are mild, it usually means your hormones are functioning well. But if you experience irregular periods, painful cramps, heavy bleeding, or missed cycles, it's your body speaking. Conditions like PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, thyroid issues, endometriosis, or stress can all disrupt your cycle. Tracking your cycle and symptoms can reveal patterns: mood swings right before your period, mid-cycle acne, or persistent fatigue. When you know what's normal for your body, you can act sooner if something changes. Your cycle gives clues. Don't ignore them. 7. Stress affects your hormones big time. Chronic stress isn't just mental. It rewires your hormonal system. When cortisol is high, it downshifts reproductive hormones like estrogen and progesterone. That means cycles can become irregular. Ovulation might stop. Libido dips, mood shift. Many women don't connect overwhelm at work or family stress to hormonal imbalance. But managing stress through deep breathing, walks, meditation, gentle movement helps rebalance cortisol and gives your other hormones a chance to function. The healthier your stress response, the healthier your entire endocrine system becomes. 6. Gut health impacts hormones. Your gut and hormones are deeply connected. The gut microbiome helps process estrogen and influences inflammation. When your gut is unhealthy, due to stress, poor diet, or antibiotics, estrogen can build up in unhealthy ways. That can cause PMS, mood issues, weight gain, bloating. Nourishing your gut with fiber, fermented foods, gentle probiotics, and whole foods supports liver function and hormone balance. Fixing your gut can often bring fast relief in mood, digestion, and cycles. Your belly matters more than you might think. 5. Nutrition and hormone support go hand in hand. Hormones need nutrients to work. Magnesium supports progesterone. B vitamins help detoxify cortisol. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. A diet rich in whole foods, vegetables, healthy fats, lean protein, legumes, and whole grains builds the foundation. Skipping meals, overeating sugar or processed food, and low-calorie dieting only stress your system and lower hormone production. Regular meals that include protein and healthy fats stabilize blood sugar. That keeps cortisol steady and insulin in check. When insulin is out of balance, it affects weight and cycle health. Eating with intention supports your hormones every day. No miracle product needed. 4. Movement matters, but balance is key. Exercise influences your hormones, but it has to be done with balance. Too little movement can leave you feeling listless. Too much intense training can raise cortisol and suppress reproductive hormones. Aim for a mix: strength workouts, brisk walks, yoga, and joyful movement. Pay attention to how your body feels. Heavier workouts may work well after your cycle, but near menstruation, gentle movement could feel best. Moving every day reduces stress, supports insulin balance, and helps regulate your cycle. When you listen to your body, movement becomes a tool for harmony instead of harm. 3. Sleep is non-negotiable for hormonal health. Every hormone needs sleep to reset and work well. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, balances cortisol, and regulates hunger hormones. Without enough good sleep, you wake with higher cortisol and disrupted sex hormones. That means mood swings, cravings, weight gain, poor memory. To support hormones, commit to a consistent bedtime, dark and cool room, and no screens right before sleep. Even one night of good sleep helps reset your hormones. Over time, good sleep has bigger benefits for your cycle, energy, and emotional health than caffeine or quick-fix diets. 2. Supplements, only when needed. Supplements can support hormone health, but they shouldn't replace foundation habits. For example, magnesium or vitamin D when labs show you're low, omega-3s for inflammation, or probiotics if your digestion suffers. Adaptogens like ashwagandha can support cortisol, but only after you've built sleep, nutrition, and movement habits. Always work with a trusted provider before starting supplements or herbs. The right support can help restore balance, but they work best when your lifestyle supports them. Think of supplements like support beams, not the whole foundation. 1. When to seek professional help. Many women struggle with hormone issues for years before they find relief. If your cycle is irregular for several months, if mood shifts are extreme, if sleep is non-existent, or the cramps stop you from living, it's time to seek help. A holistic provider can test hormones, interpret results, and recommend a plan tailored to you. They can check for thyroid issues, PCOS, adrenal dysfunction, or estrogen dominance. When you get the right support, symptoms that once seemed normal can fade. Hormonal health doesn't have to be a guessing game. You don't need to settle. You deserve a plan that gets you back to feeling like yourself. Hormonal health isn't reserved for doctors. It's part of your daily experience. When you learn what to look for, listen to your body, and build habits that support hormones, your energy, mood, cycle, and overall well-being can transform. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.